Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Olmo with a look at your first alert extended forecast and now streaming daily. Starting up this new week, let's talk about some weather headlines for you, because as we continue throughout this week, we'll be monitoring the Santa Ana winds. Gusty offshore winds continued here this morning. Will start to settle down as we progress through the afternoon hours. We do have, however, some weather alerts that remain in place because of the offshore winds. Well, temperatures are a little bit warmer. Temperatures are in the 70s this afternoon. And because, well, of the warmer temperatures, you have the gusty offshore winds, low relative humidity. Critical fire weather conditions will continue throughout the course of the day today, and not just today, but even as we fast forward, we head into midweek as we are monitoring another stronger Santa Ana wind event across the region. Here's a look at the wind gust futurecast, and as we put this into play, we continue through the afternoon. You notice the winds not as gusty compared to yesterday and even earlier this morning. We head into Tuesday afternoon and evening. The winds will start to pick up around the high desert, but certainly increasing as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday. Because of the strong winds, we do have red flag warnings that remain in effect through later on this evening until 6 p.m. So, of course, very high fire danger, especially around those wind-prone areas here across Southern California. High temperatures this afternoon will be in the mid-70s in spots like Van Nuys, downtown LA, 77 in West Covina, 76 for you in Anaheim, 77 in Riverside, 76 in San Bernardino. Here's a look at the weather pattern the next couple of days. So again, we have this weather system that's sitting to the east of us that's bringing the offshore flow that will begin to depart. Then in the heels of that one, there's another weather system that's going to dive in from the north, increasing those winds yet again as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. We're talking about wind gusts over 50 miles an hour in many spots. All right, that was a look at the forecast. Here's a look at the beach forecast and what else you can expect as we head into the next 7 days. Okay, as we continue throughout the course of the day today, well, we've been talking about strong offshore winds. That will remain the story as we continue today. However, this afternoon, not as strong compared to yesterday and earlier this morning. All right, let's go over the temperatures around the high desert, where temperatures this afternoon can be right around 67 there in Victorville. Upper 60s in Lancaster, 51 in Wrightwood there in the area mountains, and 48 in Big Bear. So it's going to be a cool day for the area mountains, a little bit warmer in some other spots. That's going to be the case around the Inland Empire, with temperatures mainly in the mid-70s this afternoon and dealing with a little bit of that breeze as we take you through the afternoon hours. Mid-70s around Inland Orange County. Irvine, 75, 76 in Santa Ana. Along the coast, temperatures in the lower 70s in Ventura County. Temperatures, especially inland, anywhere from the mid to upper 70s this afternoon. Temperatures along the coast will be in the lower 70s. And lastly, around the basin, temperatures will be in the mid 70s as we take you into this afternoon. This is including downtown LA and Compton, for example. All right, as we continue to talk about this weather system working its way to the desert southwest, well, because of the jet stream aligned right along here, California, that's bringing the offshore flow. That begins to depart as we head into Tuesday. But in the heels of that one, there's another weather system that's going to dive in from the north. This is going to increase the winds yet again. So as we go over the wind gust futurecast, you see as we start things up around 7 in the morning here on Wednesday, you see the wind-prone areas. The wind certainly a lot stronger than Sunday and into earlier today. So wind gusts over 40, even 50 miles an hour. You see the contour here across portions of the Inland Empire and parts of Orange County. As we continue throughout the day here on Wednesday, those winds will remain. A fire weather watch has been posted. Here's a look at the beach forecast and the next 7 days.